Realme is at it again. The young brand has designed an affordable device for aspiring gamers, budding photographers, and content creators. Let's check out the new Realme 6i. The Realme 6i is available in two colors inspired by nature, white milk and green tea. The polycarbonate back panel has vertical stripes that appear depending on how light strikes the surface. The rear camera setup is composed of a 48 megapixel main shooter with a large f1.8 aperture and 6p lens. There's also an 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, a 2 megapixel portrait lens that supports the new Realme color filter system, and a 2 megapixel ultra macro lens with 4 cm shooting distance. Next to the camera module is the LED flash, while a fingerprint scanner can be found at the upper center of the back panel. The phone also comes with a face unlock feature, courtesy of the front camera that's housed in a water drop notch. This device comes with a 6.5-inch IPS display with a resolution of 1600 by 720. The bottom bezel is slightly chunky, but not too bothersome. The power button sits on the right edge of the device, while the volume keys are located on the left. At the bottom is a USB-C port flanked by a 3.5mm audio jack and a single loudspeaker. The device comes with Realme UI based on Android 10. It has a triple card slot as well as a 5000 mAh battery for longer hours of gaming, entertainment, and video streaming. Apart from the device, the Realme 6i box includes a clear silicone case, an 18-watt quick charger, a USB Type-C cable, a user guide, and a warranty card. The Realme 6i is priced at 7,990 pesos for the 3GB 64GB model and 9,990 pesos for the 4GB 128GB variant.